to click. It will be like this. Duroplast Toilet Seat from Lidl, from Livarno home. High quality, unbreakable Duroplast. Fits standard toilets, fixing and instruction cladding. Maximum user weight 150 kilo. Okay, it's for us very good. And easy click function and target toilet seat can be removed at the push of a button for cleaning. Push a button and removed it. Okay, we solved a close mechanism. Look at it. Oh, beautiful. What is it here? Okay, let's unbox it and try to install. How much does it cost?
13
€13.
euro.
Yeah? Wow, it's very cheap. Look at these connections. And here we have a seat. And push the button. And how we can install it. Manual. Easy way. Simple setup. Okay, let's try to install it. Let's unbox it to see what we have. Look at it.
Sit down, please.
Beautiful. This button for just. Okay. Düsseldorf, Germany. Hinterlandstraße. It's made in Germany. Okay, let's try to install it. Here it is. A lot of stuff here. Maybe it's covers. Yeah, it's covers. We need to remove them. Good. Two covers. It will go like this. Cool. But how? Yeah. Put it here. Here. It will be like this. And we need to put it here. Like this. It's against water. Maybe. And there will be how it holds. Cool. Okay, let's try to install it. Let's go. There is a problem with this part of the toilet because when you open it, when you sit, it closes and here is a broken part and it moved like this. And we will use this new one. Here it will be like this. Let's try to install it.
Yeah.
At first we need to remove this one. We removed it. Put it here. Then we need to remove this part. And we need to unscrew all these old parts. And now we will try to install new one. Toilet seat. Okay, let's go. We put it here like this. Maybe unscrew it here. It's square to fit here. Yeah, and now we can adjust it and screw it tight from this side, and we need do it with this part too. Like this. It must be like here, like this. And put it back. This one fit perfectly. And take a screw. Yeah, I did it. At first we need to adjust our seat, then tighten it, screw, and only after it we need to put these covers. Here it is. Do you see?
Yeah.
You have to move it like this. To click. It will be like this. Awesome. And now we need to adjust it here, like to people too convenient to sit. Yeah, it will be convenient to sit to max level. Then we will tighten it our screws max level. One, two. Then we will unstuck our seat, push the button, unstuck it, make our covers. Wait a second, take it, be careful. Yeah. We did our covers again. And put it back. To click. Click. Ta-da! The job is done. I need to try it. 1,
Please sit down.
2, 3.
It's good?
Yeah, it's awesome. The job is done. For me, it's
Good job.
Yeah, it's better than old one. It's really better.
You only 13
Only 13 euros.
euro.
And it's easy to wash this area. Like you push the button and unstuck the seat and put it back like this to click.
One click.
One click, yeah. Almost ready.
Good job.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.